Hello there guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic unboxing. I got this in the silver version. It is a 47mm watch and this is how it came in. The shipping box that it came in actually. So when I pre-ordered this watch with Samsung, it came with a free fabric brand. This is it. Let me set this to the side real quick. And then this is the watch itself. Yeah, this is pretty much just it. And then let's get to it. So it looks like you rip this part open. Let me see. Okay, one side done. Okay, other side's done. Let's put it down and this is how it looks like. I'm gonna leave this here for now, but this is the top portion of the box. Let me just get this out real quick. Oh, okay, easy fingerprint hole right here, finger hole that you could just put your finger through. Nothing else in here. Let me double check. Yep, just nice quality feeling cardboard. It's all right. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's sturdy over here though. Let me put this to the side. And then this is the top portion. So I'm gonna just, when I open this right here. All right. So I believe this is gonna be the charger. Oh shit. It should be the charger. Yep, this is the charger. This is your, it's a little stuck. Oh, there's like a part where it holds the wire in so it doesn't slip out during shipping, I believe. Give me 1 second. I finally got the charger out. This is it. It's a USB-C charger. USB-C. Do this real quick. So USB-C, and this is the charging end that basically charges the other side of the watch. I believe it's most likely magnetic, but I'll just check that later. Okay, so this is the polar blue band that I requested for. Looks like you can open it like this. Just take this out real quick. Hold on. How do you open this one? Oh, you gotta cut it. Alright, give me a second. Got my knife here. Cut it right here. Oh, okay, that's good enough, I think. Close my knife before I stab myself. And then just rip the sticker off. Oh, did a bad job or whatever. Give me 1 second. Finally got it open. So the flap opens like this. Pull it out. Okay, so this is the polar blue watch. I think this is the T buckle, not the D buckle. I messed up and I got a second T buckle right here. I think this is the mint green one. The mint green band, and I should have got a D buckle instead. That's basically the magnetic one. This is just a regular T strap, like a T. The T. This is a. I think this is called the T buckle. Yep, just like a T. So it's just a regular standard T. You get the point. It's a regular T buckle. And this is the mint one. Let me just open it real quick. This is the one I got for free. With the fabric one right here. All right, but then I had to pay an extra $30 for this one. It's not too bad, I guess. Had a major discount on my watch, so I'll take it. So the mint one comes with the, you know, the usual, like, what is this? It's like a use caution to avoid damaging the product. Basically, the usage of how you could treat the bands. Yep, this is it. Hold on, let me put this away real quick. Okay, so this is the mint one. This is the polar blue one. All right, if if you like these colors, it's on the official Samsung website, or maybe you could find it on Amazon, because I think Amazon is also a Samsung reseller. Okay, and then let's finally get to the fabric brand. I don't need to open that side. Alright, let me just do it the easier way instead of using a knife. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so I finally left it open. The sticker was a little hard to rip off, but here it is. Here's the fabric brand. Take it out. Okay, so looks like same thing with the mint, and most likely with the polar blue. It comes with the care instructions on how to wear your band and how to take care of it. Put this back in, and then yeah, this is it. This is the care instructions for the blue one. Let's put this back in. So this is the fabric one. Huh? It feels like. Take this off. Damn, Samsung. These paper, like, they rip so easily. All right, this is the fabric one. Oh, sorry. It feels like a regular Velcro strap. Yeah, hold on. It pretty much is a regular Velcro strap. I mean, it feels okay, but yeah. This is the fabric brand, and finally, let's get to the watch. But let's take it out real quick, like this. Set this to the side real quick. Put it right here. And this is the box that it comes with. Let's see what's under here, just in case. Oh, it looks like it's glued together. Well, there should be nothing under there. Unless Samsung somehow slipped like $1 million in here or something. Haha, haha. One can only wish, huh? And this is just the box, so let's put it to the side. And finally, this is the watch. Looks nice. The bezel feels nice and clicky. Yep. I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, so this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Let me try to power it on real quick and see what happens. Or this button. Nice for startup. In the meantime, while it starts up, this is my old watch. Get rid of all these real quick. This is my old Samsung Galaxy Watch, the original Galaxy Watch. Let's compare the size real quick. Looks about the same, in my opinion. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic looks a little bit bigger, obviously, but I think it's because the bezel is a lot more thinner. And then I do have my original screen protector on it, so I might as well just get rid of it right now. Oh. Get rid of it right now. And I've used this this Galaxy Watch since 2018. So let me just pull it off real quick. Bear with me just a second. So since 2018, or was it 2019? I can't remember. I've never taken off the screen protector, but here it is. This is how it looks like without the screen protector. Just clean it off real quick. This is the original Galaxy Watch. All right. And this is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Yeah, I guess, let me try to set it up real quick. Hold on. And then, I'll wear the bands too. So let me just, yeah, give me a second. Hold on. In the meantime, I'll just show you the fabric band. Unfortunately, I got the large one, and it actually fits perfectly. Actually, hold on, let me just adjust it. Yeah, this is to my fitting. Yeah, I think I got the large one, and the fabric brand is a little bit almost past the top. In my opinion, it should be fine. But yeah, I don't know the size of my wrist, but this is the 47 millimeter watch, and this is how it looks like on my wrist. Let me try on the polar blue band now. Oh yeah, so Samsung recently changed their bands to one click, so all you gotta do is just press this button once and easily take it out. This one too, like that. I think the old bands, it used to come with like a little pull tab, like this. This is the Galaxy Watch 1. Like these little pull tabs right here, where you pull it and it pops out like that. I mean, it's still good. It's just that if you buy like third-party bands, it comes like this. So I guess in order for Samsung to make it easier for people, they have the one push button to make it easier for a lot of people. So yeah. Oh yeah, let me see if the original Galaxy Watch bands can fit the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So Galaxy Watch 6 Classic right here. Let's see if it fits. Oh no, it doesn't. No, it does not. For some reason, the Galaxy Watch regular, the original one, is much bigger. See? Doesn't fit. Oh, let me double check. Like this? Yeah, it does not fit at all. Well, so yeah, now we know that the Galaxy Watch original does not fit the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. But yeah, without further ado, let me go back to the blue band. So here's the blue band. One click, do it like this. So put it together. Whoa, what's going on here? Interesting. Hold on. Wow, this one's actually very hard to put on. Hold on. Alright, give me a second. Okay, sorry. So I got the bottom part on and then the top part. So it turns out all you gotta do is just press the button, hold it down, and just slip it in like that. Oops, hold on. Oh, I'm bending that bit. Wait a minute. So just like that. There we go. Alright, it's in. So this is the Polar Blue watch. Let me put it on real quick. Hold on. So it looks like Samsung changed the bands where it used to have the two little knobs right here, where you could slip it like this into it and then push these little knobs all the way up here to lock it down to this kind of band. I guess it was called a sport band, obviously. So you slip it in here into this hole. It's similar to like an Apple Watch. This is kind of all right, well, like this, and this is how the blue polar band look on my hand. I think this was the small version, and I'm on the second hole, but this is how it looks like on my hand. I'll set it up soon, but nice. The bezel feels very responsive. The screen feels responsive as well. The bezels has like a slight click to it, and the original Galaxy Watch's click, I don't know if it's because it's old, but the click is not as strong versus the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Well, only time will tell, I guess. But I didn't get a chance to set this up yet, so give me a second. But yep, this is the blue band on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Let me just remove it, and I'll show you the mint band now. So it turns out I actually ordered different sizes because I wanted to test out what's small and medium, and then what's a as you can see, I don't know if you can see it right there, and a medium and a large. So as you can see, there is quite a length difference. So let's actually see how this looks like on my wrist. This is the medium and large band, and this is the small and medium. This is the polar blue, and this is the mint green. Give me a second. Let me install it on the watch real quick. So I usually like this part on the bottom. So it turns out you just press this button, right? And then you just slip it from up top like that, and it should be in. This is it. Yep, this is in. Same thing as this. I don't know why I struggled so hard with the blue one before. So all you gotta do is just press the button, slide it in from the top, and that's it. It's both in. Now let me put it on my wrist real quick. Give me a second. Well, I messed up. So it turns out I am on the last hole, and this is the comfort feeling that I like, and I'm missing a whole 2 holes. That's awkward, but all right, let me just wrap it real quick. So it's kind of loose on me right now. So note to self, make sure you measure your wrists before you buy these bands. But I don't know, it's okay. It is kind of loose, but I don't know if it's gonna cause any problems with reading. But this is the mint band. Oh what did I do? Oh no, I selected a different language. Oh, whatever, it's fine. But this is the mint band, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I'll probably set up later and make another video about it. But this is the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic.